This is 57-year-old Raja. She's a former chemist who is now using her expertise to restore ancient Greek Orthodox texts, forwarding the research they may provide. She's developed a hyperpure paper, which she uses to painstakingly add to the manuscript tiny pieces at a time, mixing light and dark papers to get the perfect mix and the perfect color to match. She's been restoring these ancient texts since 2006, but when a civil war broke out in her home country of Syria in 2011, she had to discontinue her work. But now she's back at it again. So why are these pages so important? Joseph Zaitun, the Secretary of Manuscripts and Documents in Greek Orthodox Patriarchate, explains why. We might find something in a manuscript that we cannot find in today's printed books, which talk, for example, about saints. We might find information that is not available in books. So Raja continues on, restoring each piece of ancient paper for future generations in the hopes of revealing some secrets hidden in the past.